So what do you actually get from our vCISO service? Well, when people hear virtual CISO, they often assume it's just advice or high-level strategy. They think about parting with tens of thousands just for a report on all the gaps. But in reality, it's much more involved than that. It's shaped around what your business needs at that time. So here's what our vCISO actually includes and how it works in practice. We'll always start with a discovery activity. We need to understand what's working well and what needs improvement in your organisation. We don't just assess for the sake of it. We benchmark against frameworks like CIS or NIST, but again, not just for compliance. We use the best of these to measure against best practice. But we can also use these to measure progress and set priorities. And then from there, we build a security roadmap that aligns with your business goals. That means short-term actions and longer-term planning, tailored, not templated. We support you across some really great core areas like risk management, reviewing and updating your security policies, compliance mapping, whether that's ISO 27001, GDPR, Cyber Essentials, and we'll advise on tools and technologies and even vendor selection if you need us to. We'll help you prepare for audits or regulatory checks. We'll look at supplier risk and third-party reviews, and we'll build or test your incident response plan. Well, you'll have a consistent point of contact. You'll have a senior lead who understands your business and stays involved throughout the whole process. We'll work closely with your IT and your leadership teams, whether that's joining steering meetings or helping you to prep for board updates or just advising on key decisions. We'll work closely with you. It's not all or nothing. Some of our clients want just really light touch strategic input, whereas others want hands-on help rolling out change. We'll adjust to what works well for you. We'll meet on a regular basis. We'll collectively agree strategic direction. And of course, you'll always have clear visibility on what we're working on, what's next, and how it supports your wider business. So to wrap up, if you're looking for structured, experienced security leadership, but don't want the expense of high-end capability, this is a way to get the right level of support without overcommitting. So if you want to know more, you can always book a free consultation with us and see how we can help you.